back to normal. Just want to show you what it looks like. And here in the sides of my hair, as you can see, I do have some balding, but you see all of this hair that's here, I didn't have that before. So I just want to show you guys really quick what I would do to mask hair loss in a ponytail, for example. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair up. Okay, so my hair's in a ponytail, and as you can see, there's minimal hair loss, and I owe that all to my new hair care routine, which I will link everything below for you guys to see. But if you guys can see, there's some there, there's maybe a little bit there and a little bit there, but again, like I said, nowhere like before. So I'm going to show you what I do. I love hair fibers, okay? I've been using them now since high school, and I'm 27 years old, guys. And I'm going to show you what I use. Okay, these are the hair fibers that I use, and this is in dark brown. By the way, this can be used for both men and women. And remember, just showed you that I have some hair loss here. See, and it's really not as bad as before. But to add more dimension and depth to my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of the fibers. Okay, I'm gonna add some here. By the way, if you're experiencing any kind of hair loss, in your eyebrows, this is actually really good to use. So as you can see, that little scalp area that you were able to see, you can no longer see. And for me, it was really small, so I didn't really have to add a lot because my hair is growing back, like I said. And all these little hairs that you see on the top, so you can see them all here on the side, it's all new hair growth. It takes time for all those baby hairs to return back to what they used to be. Now, I'm going to show you how to use hair fibers with your hair down, because I do think that it definitely does make a difference if you have any kind of thinning. Okay, so let's say this is my hair, right? Now let me show you here. See? And as you can see, guys, my hair looks like it's pretty good, but I promise you this is all because I changed my hair care routine. See some of the hair. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is show you what my hair looks like. It's parted down the middle. I haven't put hair fibers down the center as yet. No hair fibers, but okay. So I'm going to drop some of the hair fibers right along the edge of my hairline, but without covering my hairline, because what I want to do is make my hairline look thinner. Okay, and by making your hairline look thinner, it's gonna look like you have more hair. So I'm also gonna add that here and here because I have some hair loss here. I'll do a video of like what my scalp fully looks like right out of the shower so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover those areas. Okay, so again, dark brown. Just gonna go like this. It's gonna go like this. Nothing fancy, guys. Just shake, 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 shake. Okay. Now, other side. I am hair fiber queen. To me, the more volume I have, the better. I really don't care. I just sprinkle that shit everywhere. Like if it's like, you know, sprinkles on ice cream. So then, and as you can see, when I go like this through my head, there is absolutely no areas on the scalp where you can see thinning or balding. You understand?